So we have finished in the last class the 3 questions, unit 1. Now we are going to answer the following, the 4th and the 5th question. So note down this question answer in your classwork, children. Already I told you what all you are written on the board. You have to note it down in your notebook. We'll ask one day for the correction. That time you have to bring this notebook with question with answer. So note down this. What was the contributions of Tamils in constructing the country Mauritius. So what was the contribution? Contribution is many Tamils were brought in. So many Tamils were brought in. கூட்டிட்டு வந்தாங்க. எங்கே கூட்டிட்டு வந்தாங்க? brought in and around புதுச்சேரி. in and around அந்த புதுச்சேரியை சுற்றி. in and around புதுச்சேரி. now it's known as பாண்டிச்சேரி சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? that one is in and around புதுச்சேரி. from ஸோ அப்போவே ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க 1731 AD. அதாவது ஒரு ஊரை விட்டு இன்னொரு ஊருக்கு வர்றதுக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு வர்றதுக்கு many Tamils went abroad there and they came from the Puducherry, now known as the Pondicherry. The second point is slaves who lived there. Slaves who lived here, அங்கேயே இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அவங்களாம் வந்து they worked as a mere laborers. who lived here were made mere laborers. But Tamils went there as skilled laborers and artisans. Skilled laborers and artisans. So many Tamils were brought in and around Puducherry from 1731 AD, and slaves who lived there here were made mere laborers. But Tamils went there as a skilled laborers and artisans. Okay. Now the 5th one. Which is one of the biggest Hindus festival. Which is one of the biggest Hindu festival. Hindu festival in Malaysia. So this is the 5A question. So that answer is one of the biggest Hindu festival. In Malaysia is Thaipusam. So one of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia is Thaipusam. The next one is, who is the father of nation? Who is the father of nation? In Myanmar. Answer is King Anavradha Minsa was the father of nation in Myanmar. So these are the question answers in this lesson. Okay, shall we go through this? What was the contributions of Tamils in constructing the country Mauritius? Many Tamils were brought in and around Puducherry from 1731 AD. Slaves who lived here were made mere labourers, but Tamils went there as skilled labourers and artisans. In fifth question, 2 questions they asked. So one by one question, A I have mentioned here and B they have mentioned here. Which is one of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia? One of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia is Thaipusam. Who is the father of nation in Myanmar? King Anavradha Minsa. King Anavradha Minsa was the father of nation in Myanmar. So these are the 5 questions. So go through this 5 question and copy down this in your classwork. And so far you have finished the choose, match, true or false and question answers. Now I'll write the choose the correct answer. Already we have written, but we'll go through this one time. Choose the correct answer. So I'll write the answer. One of the official languages of Sri Lanka is Tamil. Okay, one of the official languages of Sri Lanka is Tamil. Then modern Singapore was founded in 1819. They have given the options. I have written only the answers. So you learn the answers. In ancient times, Kedah state in Malaysia. Kedah state in Malaysia connected with Nagapattinam Nagapattinam of Tamil Nadu by sea route. Okay, in ancient times, Kedah state in Malaysia connected with Nagapattinam of Tamil Nadu by sea route. Then fourth one, principal religion of Myanmar. Principal religion of Myanmar is Buddhism. So the principal religion of Myanmar is Buddhism. Then the fifth one, in the year 1810, British captured Mauritius. In the year 1810, British captured Mauritius. Okay, so once again I'll go through this. Choose one of the official languages of Sri Lanka is Tamil. Modern Singapore was founded in 1819. In ancient times, Kedah state in Malaysia connected with Nagapattinam. Principal religion. Okay, in ancient times, Kedah state in Malaysia connected with Nagapattinam of Tamil Nadu by sea route. Principal religion of Myanmar is Buddhism. Then in the year 1810, British captured Mauritius. Okay, now match the following. So in this match the following, I'll write the straight answer. Match the following. Already I written, but just we'll go through this. Ananda Temple. So this Ananda Temple is in which place? Myanmar. Ananda Temple is in Myanmar. This is the straight answer I am giving, children. Then Lieutenant Governor, L-E-U-T-E-N-A-N-T. So you pronounce the word Lieutenant Governor. So Lieutenant Governor is Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Then third one, Tirupurali. That is Rathajoni. Then fourth one, Postal Museum. Mauritius. Then fifth one, Ancient Port. That is Nagapattinam. So Ananda Temple is the straight answer of Myanmar, and Lieutenant Governor Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, Tirupurali, Rathajoni, Postal Museum, Mauritius, ancient port Nagapattinam. So far we have seen the choose match the following, true or false, and answer the following. Answer the following already we are written in this, so I'll just go through this one. Describe the past relations between the Tamil Nadu and Malaysia. The relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia have existed for more than 2000 years, and Tamil ships reached the modern Malaysian state of Kedah, that is Kadaram now. Tamils influenced the cultural and political nature of Malaysia at the time of Pallava and Cholas. And Chinese traveller I Ching records that there was a regular transport from Nagapattinam to Kedah. And write a note on Reunion Island. Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. It is a part of the French Overseas Department. Tamils are more than 1/4 of the total population of this island. There are no differences among the Tamils based on caste and religion. Name the countries in which Tamil is one of the official languages. Tamil is an official language in 3 countries, namely India, Singapore and Malaysia. What are the contributions of Tamil in constructing the country Mauritius? Many Tamils were brought from in and around Puducherry from 1731 AD. Slaves who lived here were mere laborers, but Tamils went there as skilled laborers and artisans. Okay. And fifth one, which is one of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia? One of the biggest Hindu festival in Malaysia is Thaipusam. And who is the father of nation in Myanmar? King Anavradha Mensa was the father of nation in Myanmar. Okay, children. So these are the choose, match, and true or false, and question answers. All you have to return in your classwork and complete this, and you have to submit and get the sign. So go through this and learn this. Thank you.